Hi student. Student, in last videos we have studied about that poem. That poem name was the Tree and Monty Gone Gulab. So in this video I am going to teach you lesson number 10. Name of our lesson is the three sacks of rice. Now see student, this lesson it is about the three brothers. Okay. Student, what happened? How that father's friend choice a bridegroom for her marriageable daughter. Okay, we will see in this video. Student, first I read, and while reading I also explained that you may have read many stories about the three brothers. Usually two of them, the elder ones, are strong, clever but unkind. They laugh at the youngest one because he is too simple and soft-hearted. Student, in last 4th standard also you have learned about that three brothers, the Golden River, something that lesson about. Student, we all know that we have read many stories that is about the three brothers. The elder two of them are strong, clever but unkind. They always laugh at his elder one, younger one, who is simple and kind, soft-hearted person. Okay. Now see scene. Soft-hearted is kind. Okay. Now see student, our stories also has three brothers who live in a small town, but they were three of them honest, kind and hardworking. The elder one ran a shop, the middle one was a priest, and the youngest one had just finished his education. He had started taking up odd jobs to earn some money and to learn a trade. All three of them were fond of their mother. She had worked hard to bring up the three of them after the sudden death of their father. Now see student, in this lesson we are going to study about the three brothers. All three brothers are honest, kind and hardworking. Means they are good in nature, honest, kind and hardworking. First, that elder one, he ran a shop. Okay. Okay, and the second one is middle, who was a priest. We can call it like the what that are doing the priest, means that person is doing the prayer of the God, like that. Okay, the priest. And the youngest one who had just finished his education, and he now taking trade. Okay, learning a trade. Trade means student, he is learning a job requiring skill. He means in our language he now learning how to develop his personality. Okay, now this about student, they three of them, that brothers, okay, were fond of their mother. Student, mother, because mother had has done very hard work to bring them, to grow them, because after their father's death. Okay, that mother had loved three of them because she had done very hard work to bring them after their father's death. Okay student, now see, one day the father's friend visited the mother. He said, "Sister, you know that I have a very prosperous business, but now I am getting old and my only daughter is of a marriageable age. I am looking for a son-in-law who would be a good husband to my daughter and who would also handle my business well. I like all of your son. If you permit, I shall marry my daughter to one of them, but before that I have a plan." He discussed the plan with her and she agreed quite readily. Now see student, what happened? We have seen there are three brothers and their mothers also did very hard work to grow them. Okay, one day what happened, their father's friend came at their home, and he said to their mother, sister, you know that I have a very prosperous business, means successful business. Now I am a successful business, but now I am getting old, and my daughter is also now marriageable age. Marriageable means, student, the right age for marriage. Okay, marriageable means the right age of marriage. Now that only I have only one daughter, and now she is also marriageable age, and I am also getting old. Okay, now see, student, I am looking for a son-in-law. We all know that son-in-law, the husband of daughter, it is called the son-in-law. Okay, who would be a good husband, and also he would who would also handle my business. I want a boy, a young man, who will be a husband of my daughter, as well as who would also handle my business. Okay, sister, I like your 3 sons, but I want to if you gave me a permission, that time I will choose anyone, your son, and will marry with my daughter. Okay, but I have a plan. Okay, and he also discussed about that plan with that 3 brothers' mother. Okay, and she also quite ready. Okay, ready for that plan. Now see, student, next is that the next day the friend went to each of the 3 brothers one by one. He gave them each a sack of rice and said, "My dear boy, I am going away for a few months for some necessary work. Please look after this sack of rice till I come back." First, both of that father's friends and mother of that 3 brothers, they decided a plan. What was the plan? Now see, next day what, that friend went near the elder son of that mother. Okay, he was ran a shop, means he was a shopkeeper. And now see, student, he gave a sack of rice to that shopkeeper, means that first son of that mother, and he said, "My dear boy, I am going away for few months for necessary work. Please look after this sack of rice till I come back." Okay, you have to take care of this sack of rice. I am going outside for necessary work for this few months, and till I come back, you have to take care, look after this sack of rice. Okay, now see, students, the friend went away. Many months passed, but he did not return. He was nearly a year before. Okay. First he went near the elder one, who was the shopkeeper, as well as he also went near the middle one. He was a priest. He also gave a sack of rice and told him to take care of this sack. I am going outside for the necessary work for the few months. Look after this sack till I come. And same sentence, he go near the youngest brother. He was he just finished his education, and he was doing odd business, odd job, and learning trade also. Okay, he also go near that younger one son of that mother, and he also gave a sack of rice and told him, "Please look after this sack of rice till I come back." Okay, now see, student, next what happens, see, student, now see, till 2 we have seen that father's friends and that what do we say, that brother's mother decided a plan, and next day what happened, the friends brought 3 sacks of rice, and he gave one of means 3 of them, that 3 brothers. Okay, first one was the shopkeeper, second one was the priest, and third one is a trader. Okay, he was doing a trade. Okay, now see student, what will happen, remaining part lesson we will see in a next video. I hope you understood. Thank you. Thanks for watching.